be dangerous. But why not give the rest of us an option? Because for those of us who see no difference between a car and a motorbike in terms of safety, why shouldn't we have that option?
But it's about government regulation, right? So whether the government sees it as safe enough, so the government perhaps trying to regulate this sector for the benefit of users, saying, well, the risks don't, outweigh the benefit of having it. Well, who knows? I guess this is something that, the Ministry of Transport is still going to be looking at.
And Shira, you're more than welcome to go and buy your own motorcycle. I would love to see you on a Vespa.
Can I ride side saddle? I understand that's illegal, but we take us around the kampong.
I think there are all kinds of options. I just think that, this is also a class issue because the prices will come down with a motorcycle, services of the sort. And this will benefit, working people or working class people.
Sure.
And perhaps more the middle class people who have already used a certain level of comfort.
We need to protect their hair like that.
It gets blown in the wind quite a bit. Okay, let's turn to our morning newspapers. SST and GST dominate the front pages of the Star and NST this morning. The Star has more money, more bite. NST has 6,000 items to be taxed under SST.
Looking at the front pages of the Malay Mail and the Sun, again reflecting our conversation earlier about calls for resignation. So Malay Mail has Asaruddin quits over MH370, and the Sun has, I'm not sure whether it's a statement or a question, Ali Hamzah should go. This in reference to the Chief Secretary to the government, that Tan Sri Dr. Ali Hamzah. The G25 group has asked for Tan Sri Ali to resign.
And looking at the Malay dailies, you've got Sina Harian and Utusan still banging on that same communism drum. Sina Harian's headline reads, Jangan Pesong Sejarah, and then Utusan reads, Ganas, Kejam. This is in relation to perhaps the inclusion of the communist movement's history here in Malaysia and incorporating that into local textbooks.
When I read the headline, I'm going to have your voice in my head saying,
Ganas,
just like
Kejam.
Okay, what's interesting about the Sina Harian front page is that it's not their editorial line. Jangan Pesong Sejarah is not what they're saying. It's what the former Deputy Prime Minister Zahid Hamidi is saying, right? So that's one thing that needs to be made clear. English on the front page, it says there, and I think it's quoting, should we rewrite our history textbooks? Actually, it's a bit of I believe, collateral from the forum that was being held, that has been held or will be held around the question of